In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the purchase returns in Sage. As you can see here in this transaction on 22nd of January, return 10 Corolla windscreen to Mr. Matthew. Now, who is Mr. Matthew? Mr. Matthew is our vendor. So we have purchased some items before, and due to whatever reason, we are returning 10 Corolla windscreen back to him. Either we don't find the quality that good, or maybe there's some defect with the products. So what we need to do is we need to adjust this returns against the previous invoice. Let's say we have purchased 20 Corolla windscreens or maybe 100 Corolla windscreens, and against that we are returning 10. So this return should adjust in the bill. If you want to do this kind of adjustments, let's see how we can deal with this. First of all, let's go to the vendors and purchases section right at the left corner. And from here, we have a separate area of credits and returns. Just go to that and click on new vendor credit memo. Let's select the vendor, which is Mr. Matthew. Credit date is 22nd of January. Credit number, I can put any number here. And since I want to adjust it against the invoice, we need to select any particular or previous invoice. In this case, I have only one. So let's select that. And as you can see, all the invoice items are shown up here. Against this item, which is Corolla windscreen, I am returning out of 50, 10. So this should adjust in the bill. So as you can see, the return is created at the 1200 rate, and the unit price, as we can see here, at 400 per unit price. We are returning this. All set, all okay. You can put this in the description also if you want to. Otherwise, let's click save from the top. And if you want to check the journal entry effect, let's go back and open up this transaction and click on journal. And here we can see that since we have returned the item back, it's out from our inventory. So that's why inventory is credited. And against that, our payable is reduced, as we have seen that the earlier bill was already there. Against that, we need to pay less now. So that's also adjusted, and that's how you do it. Just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.